Imagine being told you will never walk again, but instead of accepting it, you decide to prove everyone wrong. My name is Emma, and when I was 10 years old, my whole life changed in an instant. I was in a terrible car accident. I don't remember much, just the sound of metal crashing, people screaming, and then darkness. When I woke up in the hospital, my parents were crying. The doctor looked at me and said, "Emma, you have a spinal injury. You may never walk again." At first, I didn't understand. I thought, no, this is a mistake. I'll be fine. But when I tried to move my legs, nothing happened. I felt nothing. Days turned into weeks. The doctor said I should accept my new life in a wheelchair. But deep inside, I refused to believe it. One day, my physical therapist told me, "Your mind is stronger than your body. If you believe you can stand, one day you will." That day, I made a decision. I will walk again. It was painful. It was slow. I fell more times than I can count. But every time I fell, I got back up. Again and again. Months passed, and one day, while holding onto the parallel bars, I moved one foot forward. Just an inch, but it was enough. A year later, I took my first real step, and 2 years later, I ran. People called it a miracle, but I knew it wasn't magic. It was determination. The only limits are the ones we accept. If you are facing something difficult right now, remember you are stronger than you think. Never give up.